Welcome to our channel, Elevate English. Today, we have a special lesson. It is for beginners. It is for people who are starting their English journey. It is a listening lesson. You will hear a real conversation. It is a conversation at the doctor's office. This is a common situation. You might need to go to the doctor one day. You might need to speak English at the doctor's office. This lesson will help you prepare. Let me introduce the people in our conversation. There are two people. The first person is Sarah. Sarah is a patient. She is feeling sick. She is not feeling well. She needs to see a doctor. The second person is Dr. Mitchell. Dr. Mitchell is a doctor. She is kind and professional. She helps people feel better. The conversation takes place in a doctor's office. The room is small. There is a desk. There is a chair for the patient. There is a bed for the examination. There are some medical tools. It is a quiet and clean room. Let us listen to the conversation. The conversation. Sarah enters the room. She looks tired. She looks worried. Dr. Mitchell smiles at her. Dr. Mitchell, good morning, Sarah. Please, have a seat. How are you feeling today? Sarah, good morning, doctor. I am not feeling very well. I have been sick for 2 days. Dr. Mitchell, I am sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what is wrong? What are your symptoms? Sarah, I have a bad headache. My head hurts a lot. I also have a fever. My body feels hot. I have a cough too. I cannot stop coughing. Dr. Mitchell, I see. That sounds uncomfortable. Let me ask you some questions. When did your symptoms start? Sarah, they started 2 days ago. On Monday evening. I was at work. I felt fine in the morning. But in the evening, I started feeling sick. Dr. Mitchell, did you take any medicine? Sarah, yes, I took some painkillers. I took some medicine for my headache. It helped a little, but the pain came back. Dr. Mitchell, I understand. Do you have any other symptoms? Do you have a sore throat? Do you feel pain in your chest? Sarah, no, I do not have a sore throat. I do not have chest pain, but I feel very tired. I have no energy. I just want to sleep. Dr. Mitchell, that is understandable. Your body is fighting an infection. Rest is very important. Let me check your temperature. Please open your mouth. Dr. Mitchell takes a thermometer. She puts it under Sarah's tongue. She waits for a few seconds. The thermometer beeps. Dr. Mitchell, your temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius. That is a fever. It is not very high, but it is high enough to make you feel uncomfortable. Now, let me listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath. Dr. Mitchell takes a stethoscope. She puts it on Sarah's chest. She listens carefully. Dr. Mitchell, good. Now breathe out. Good. Now, take another deep breath. Your breathing sounds normal. That is good news. Your lungs are healthy. Sarah, that is good to hear. I was worried it might be something serious. Dr. Mitchell, I do not think it is serious. I think you have a viral infection. This is common. It happens to many people. Your body will fight the virus. It will take a few days, but you will get better. Sarah, what should I do? What should I take? Dr. Mitchell, first, you need to rest. Stay in bed. Do not go to work. Do not go to school. Let your body heal. Drink plenty of water. Drink hot tea with honey. This will help your throat. It will help your cough. Also, take some medicine for your fever. I will give you a prescription. Sarah, what about food? What should I eat? Dr. Mitchell, eat light food. Eat soup. Eat fruits. Eat vegetables. Avoid heavy food. Avoid fried food. Your body needs vitamins. Your body needs energy. Sarah, how long will it take? When will I feel better? Dr. Mitchell, you should feel better in 3 to 5 days. The fever will go down first. Then, the cough will improve. You will feel more energy. But if you do not feel better, come back to see me. If your fever gets worse, come back to see me. Sarah, okay, doctor. I understand. Thank you very much for your help. Dr. Mitchell, you are welcome, Sarah. I will write the prescription now. Take the medicine twice a day. Take it after meals. Do not take it on an empty stomach. Sarah, twice a day. After meals. I understand. Dr. Mitchell, and remember, rest is important. Do not push yourself. Listen to your body. If you feel tired, sleep. If you feel hungry, eat. If you feel thirsty, drink water. Sarah, I will, doctor. Thank you again. I really appreciate your help. Dr. Mitchell, it is my pleasure, Sarah. I hope you feel better soon. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Sarah, goodbye, doctor. Sarah leaves the room. She feels better. Not physically better, but mentally better. She is less worried. She knows what to do. She has a plan. She will follow the doctor's advice. She will get better soon. Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let us look at some important words and phrases from the conversation. We will learn their meanings. We will learn how to use them. Symptoms. This word means the signs of an illness. For example, a headache is a symptom. A fever is a symptom. A cough is a symptom. When you go to the doctor, they will ask about your symptoms. Fever. This means a high body temperature. Normally, your body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. If it is higher, you have a fever. A fever means your body is fighting an infection. Headache. This means pain in your head. Your head hurts. This is a common symptom. Many illnesses cause headaches. Cough. This is when you suddenly push air out of your throat. You make a sound. You cannot control it. A cough can be dry or wet. It can be a symptom of many illnesses. Painkillers. These are medicines that stop pain. They help with headaches. They help with body aches. They reduce pain. They are very helpful. Prescription. This is a piece of paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacist what medicine to give you. You need a prescription to buy certain medicines. Rest. This means to relax. To stop working. To sit or lie down. Rest is important for healing. Your body needs rest to fight infections. Viral infection. This is an illness caused by a virus. A virus is a tiny germ. It can make you sick. Common colds and flu are viral infections. Examination. This is when the doctor checks your body. They listen to your breathing. They check your temperature. They look at your throat. The examination helps the doctor understand your illness. Stethoscope. This is a medical tool. It is used to listen to your heart and lungs. It has a small piece that goes on your chest. The doctor puts it in their ears. They listen to your body sounds. Thermometer. This is a tool used to measure temperature. It is used to check for fever. You put it in your mouth. It beeps when it is done. Phrases to remember. Here are some useful phrases from the conversation. You can use them in your own life. I am not feeling very well. This is what you say when you are sick. It is a polite way to say you are ill. I have been sick for 2 days. This tells the doctor how long you have been ill. It is important to know the time. I have a bad headache. This tells the doctor exactly what is wrong. You can use this for different parts of the body. For example, I have a bad stomachache, or I have a bad backache. I have a cough too. This adds another symptom. You can use to add information. For example, I have a fever too. It helped a little. This tells the doctor about the medicine you took. It was helpful, but the pain came back. Take it twice a day. This is an instruction from the doctor. It tells you how often to take your medicine. You might also hear, take it 3 times a day, or take it once a day. Take it after meals. This tells you when to take your medicine. Some medicines are taken with food. Others are taken on an empty stomach. Do not push yourself. This is good advice. It means do not work too hard. Do not do too much. Let your body rest. Listen to your body. This means pay attention to your body. If you are tired, rest. If you are hungry, eat. Your body knows what it needs. Practice questions. Now let us practice. I will ask some questions. Try to answer them. Use the vocabulary we learned today. Question 1. What are symptoms? Think about it. Symptoms are the signs of an illness. For example, a headache is a symptom. A fever is a symptom. A cough is a symptom. Question 2. What should Sarah do to get better? She should rest. She should drink water and tea. She should eat light food. She should take medicine twice a day. Question 3. How long does the doctor say Sarah will be sick? The doctor says 3 to 5 days. Sarah will start feeling better after 3 to 5 days. Question 4. What is a prescription? A prescription is a piece of paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacist what medicine to give you. Question 5. Why did Sarah visit the doctor? Sarah visited the doctor because she was sick. She had a headache, a fever, and a cough. She needed help. Summary. Today, we listened to a conversation at the doctor's office. We met Sarah and Dr. Mitchell. We heard how they talked. We learned new vocabulary. We learned useful phrases. Going to the doctor can be stressful. It can be even more stressful in another language. But with practice, you can do it. You can ask questions. You can understand the answers. You can get the help you need. Remember these tips. If you are sick, stay calm. Tell the doctor how you feel. Use simple sentences. Use the vocabulary we learned today. The doctor is there to help you. They will understand you. They will take care of you. Practice this conversation at home. Practice with a friend. Practice in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. The more confident you are, the better you will speak. We hope this lesson was helpful. We hope you learned something new. We hope you feel more prepared for a visit to the doctor. Thank you for listening to English Listening for Beginners on our channel, Elevate English. This is a new series. We will have more conversations in the future. We will cover more situations. We will help you in your English journey. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and good luck. And remember, stay healthy.